So the virtual chart is also one that has formed a 1-2 setup, probably also one of the more interesting ones out there, without any confirmed low, however. But yeah, there are 1-2 setups out there. They're just quite rare at the moment. What we see here on this chart is the wave 1 up. I treat it as a wave 1. It's not the cleanest because that 10th of October low, it broke a lot on many charts. It just makes interpretation more difficult. So all I can do is highlight that. Yeah, what you do with it is up to you. But the thing is, it makes this look somehow also more like a 3-wave move. Always depends. If you look at it more on a linear chart, maybe it looks a bit more like 5 waves up. On a log chart, it's more extended. So it makes it look more like a 3-wave move up. But then again, if we are moving up in wave 5, that's okay, because a wave 5 can be an ending diagonal. So circle wave 1 could be 3 waves. It wouldn't be a problem. So that's just something to be aware of. Micro support remains between 43.6 and 92.5 cents. And I would watch the 74-cent level specifically as support as well. Now, we're now testing this area of the previous swing lows here. And so this is where we are now. But a double bottom rarely holds, and we're currently forming a local double bottom here. So these are usually not very convincing bottoming signals here. I'm just saying we might see another low. We don't need another low. It's technically formed 5 waves down in the C wave. And the price also, and that's something to keep an eye on, always, if I'm tracking this as an ABC structure to the downside, that C wave reached targets. The C wave is in that blue target zone. I removed it from the chart again, but we're basically there, which means to me that this C wave to the downside is technically just done what it needed to do. And I'm just waiting for reaction. What I said in previous updates is, at the very least, to confirm or get an indication to turning around, I would want to see at least a break above that November high at $1.05.